Good evening. This is a quick demonstration of the work order app um, provided by Google Coordinate. As you can see on the screen, once the service requests are assigned to an individual, when the individual logs into Google Coordinate, you'll see a list of work orders or service requests. You click on the first item in the list and you would see this screen. So here are the jobs, here are the assigned jobs. For all practical purposes, one should click on the assigned jobs or scheduled jobs and tab. And first thing you would do is check in. Uh, I'm sorry, not check in, but accept the work order. Then click on the top right side to get directions. A map will load with voice instructions on how to arrive at the destination. This map is active enough to incorporate travel issues, accidents, and so on, and route you accordingly. Once you arrive at the destination, you hit the back button a few times until you see this job details screen. Here, you check in by clicking on the check in button, and you that indicates to the system that you started working on the job. Now, you would have to assess the situation assigned based on the service request, select a resolution, probably add some notes if you have to by selecting the notes tab right there. You can type in any notes or instructions for the backend person who is going to look at this and perform the necessary follow up if needed. You type it in and click on yes to save it. And once you do this, the next step is to actually uh, use the camera of the tablet to take pictures of the surface where there is damage or to collect proof that the work has been performed. So how do you do that? You go back and pick the camera app and you click on the camera, and that image that is moving right now, a snapshot will be taken of that image. Once one or more images are taken, you would select the gallery icon, the one with the flower on it, and select the picture uh, by going top right corner and selecting select item. And once you select the check marks, you click the share button, share icon, and select email, and mail it to the concerned person. We'll go over this again briefly. So you take the picture and you once you email the picture out, you would just complete the work order and you check out, you save changes and you check out. So to confirm that the work order is accepted or completed, you could click on the completed tab to see a list of completed service requests. uh, I will continue to demonstrate this one more time so it is clear, and we'll probably go a little bit slow this time. As you can see, I tapped on the first listed item, then I accepted this job, then I will click on the directions tab, the car icon on the top right side to access the directions. Once I arrive, I check in, and once I check in, I would click on the edit job. So on the uh, jobs screen, you will see three tabs: my jobs, schedule jobs, and completed jobs. So you click the first item. Always the first thing you do is accept the job, and then click on the car icon, and navigate to that location, and then enter the job details, and then complete and check out the job. Here you can see that the user has just clicked the directions icon, so map has loaded. It's going to navigate them to the location. Once you arrive, click the back button a couple of times to see this screen. Once you arrive at the location, you click on check-in, and then enter the job details by clicking on the edit. You navigate down, select a resolution, and add notes. Save it, save changes, then check out. Or before you check out, you have to take pictures by clicking on the camera icon.